Hi ma'am, this is P. Akila from Computer Science Engineering in specialization of AI and ML. Today's my topic is solve d cube minus 4d square into d1 plus 4d into d12 into z is equals to 2 sine into 3x plus 2y. Introduction to homogeneous and non-homogeneous equations. Homogeneous equations are those where all terms have the same degree, and non-homogeneous equations have terms of different degrees. Both types of equations can be solved using different methods. Next, characteristics of non-homogeneous equations. Non-homogeneous equations have terms are not zero or trivial. These equations often represent system with external influences or forces, and non-homogeneous equations can be more challenging to solve compared to homogeneous equations. Next, characteristics of homogeneous equations. In a homogeneous equations, if all constants are placed by variables, the equation remains unchanged. And second one, homogeneous equations have solution that are always zero or trivial. Homogeneous equations are often used in physics and engineering to model systems with no external influences. Next, solve d cube minus 4d square into d1 plus 4 into d12 into z is equals to 2 sine 3x plus 2y. Solution of this problem. Auxiliary equation m cube minus 4m square plus 4m is equals to 0. That is m into m square minus 4m plus 4 is equals to 0. m into m minus 2 whole square is equals to 0. Next, m into m minus 2 into m minus 2 is equals to 0. The roots are m is equals to 0, comma m is equals to 2, comma m is equals to 1. The two roots are equal and one root is different. Common factor is equals to 5 1 into y plus m1 into x plus 5 2 y plus m2 into x plus x into 5 3 y plus m3 into x. Next, 5 1 into y plus 5 2 into y plus 2x plus x into 5 3 into y plus 2x. Particular integral 1 by d square minus 4d into 2d into d1 plus 4d into d12 into 2 sine into 3x plus 2y. 2 into 1 by d cube minus 4d into 4d square into d1 plus 4d into d12 into sine 3x plus 2y. Next, 2 into 1 by d into d square minus 4d d1 plus 4d d12 into sine 3x plus 2y. Since sine 3x plus 2y is in the form of sine of ax plus by, here a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 2. Next, put d square is equals to minus a square and a is equals to 3 is equals to minus 32 and is equals to minus 9. d into d1 is equals to minus a into b. Here a is equals to 3 and b is equals to 2. That is equals to minus 3 into 2 is equals to minus 6. Next, put d12 is equals to minus b square. Here b is equals to 2, that is equals to minus 22 and minus 4. Next, d into 1 by d into minus 9 minus 4 into minus 6 plus 4 into minus 4 into sine of 3x plus 2y is equals to 2 into 1 by d minus 1 into sine 3x plus 2y is equals to minus 2 into 1 by d into sine of 3x plus 2y, and here is equals to minus 2 integration sine of 3x plus 2y, and that is equals to minus 2 into minus cos 3x plus 2y into divided by 3 particular integral 2 by 3 cos of 3x plus 2y. Next, the complete solution is z is equals to cf plus pi, phi 1 into y plus phi 2 into y plus 2x, phi 3 plus phi 3 is equals to y of 2x plus 2 into x plus 2 by 3 cos into 3x plus 2y. Thank you for giving this opportunity, ma'am.